Hi fam, welcome to another reaction video. Today we're checking out a song by Enya called Orinoco Flow. Today's video here is suggested by my patron Ben. Thank you so much Ben for this. Without further ado, let's dive right in. Orinoco Flow. Enya. Beautiful. Ooh, wow. Whoa. Ooh. Goosebumps. Wow. Oh my God. Da, da. That's so beautiful. Beautiful holiday song. Amazing. Ooh, my God, I've got so much goosebumps. Ooh, this is so magical. I mean, I can literally smell the ocean now. To the land of never been, we can say, Orinoco Flow. Ooh. Sail away, sail away. My goodness, talk about something magical. It does not get any better than this. It doesn't feel any better than this. Holy smokes, Enya. Oh my God, her voice, her song always feels so ethereal and just otherworldly. It just feels magical and spiritual at the same time. This is just glorious, and it just filled me up with such a feeling. This was amazing. I could literally smell the ocean listening to this song. From Peru to Cebu. Is it Cebu or Cebu? I don't even know. This was beautiful. It's such a breath of fresh air listening to her every single time. That was magical. And really, I cannot even explain the kind of feeling I felt listening to this song in particular. I can't explain it. It's such a rare feeling. It felt like the universe calling me. It felt like nature just calling me. I don't know if this is just me or if you guys also felt this listening to this song, any of her songs. But her voice, I mean, she can't be real. She can't be real. Honestly, we really need to check this woman out. We really need to read about her and know how she was born and how she was brought up because none of her songs sounds real. They sound like something from mysterious, I don't know, something out of a fairy tale. Her voice sounds ethereal, sounds unusual. Her vocals, when she vocalizes, it's like it's like angels calling. I don't even know how to explain this feeling, my God. If any of you know how to explain this better, please help me because right now my words are failing me. But this was so good. This song, this song, it just killed me. It just literally, it killed me. I felt it so much. And I just wanted to close my eyes and just dance to the rhythm and just let the flow, just let it flow, just let the song flow right through me. Just take over, just take me with you. You've called and I have answered. Just take me with you. Flow through me like electricity. This was wonderful. This was wonderful. I don't even know what to say. I don't know the words to use to describe how magical and how special this felt. But if only I could. This was magical. It's the only word that's coming to me right now. Otherworldly. Thank you for sharing. I can't believe I've never heard this song before. I can't believe it. I'm glad I do now. I'm glad I do. I know the song now. Thank you so much for sharing this, Ben. Thank you so much for listening to this. Thank you for watching the video too. I hope you enjoyed the video as well. If you did, do not hesitate to give me a big fat thumbs up. Consider hitting the subscribe button too. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, stay safe, be kind,